Welcome to the Bright channel. Please subscribe, like, and share. Ingredients: your water, sulfonic acid, conch HCl, caustic soda. Let's start. Conch HCl 1 liter, sulfonic acid 1/4 liter, caustic soda 1/4 kg, and 1 liter of water. Add the caustic soda and stir. Wear your nose masks and your hand gloves. Stir very well. Keep stirring, stir very well. Please subscribe. By the end of this video, you'll be able to make your own tile cleaner, very active. Add your sulfonic acid slowly and stir very well. Keep stirring. Stir very well. Like and share this video. Keep sharing. Share, like, subscribe to my channel. Keep stirring. Stir very well. You stir. Stir very well. Okay? Stir very well. And now add your HCl. No chemical should touch your skin or come in contact with your skin. Add HCl gently. Be very careful. It's concentrated and corrosive. Add very close to your container. Please be very careful. Okay, keep stirring. Still adding hydrochloric acid. Keep stirring. This is an acid. Be very careful. Very careful. Keep stirring. Stir very well. Stir very well. Okay? That's it. Stir. Keep stirring. Please subscribe to this channel. Subscribe to my channel. Your active tile cleaner is ready. It's ready. Leave it for 5 to 7 hours before using. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and share.